that's what started it. And again, helped me to understand that there's more information out there, and what I'm
Right,
feeling going through all
right,
those terrible physical experiences that I was having. I mean, I thought I was going crazy and just was terrible. I didn't feel well. And I was like, what is going on with my body? And
right,
it really was a lack of my hormones really just were not working well. Um, and I call it your hormone buckets.
yeah,
You kind of want You've got, your estrogen, your progesterone, your testosterone, your thyroid, your cortisol, your insulin. Those are all your buckets. And those buckets are constantly, they're doing all these checks and balances
100%,
throughout the day, right? And we need those buckets to be kind of balanced and optimal.
right,
Um, so in my professional opinion, I feel that, you know, I've been taking progesterone for almost, 20 years. I've never stopped taking it. Now I'm on testosterone and estrogen. I'm on Miracle. I'm on all kinds of really cool supplements that I take for my overall like internal health. But I do feel that hormone replacement is very important. I wish that we lived in a space where we didn't need all this extra support, but like what
right,
you said before with our water, the air we breathe, the
yeah,
the lack of, the quality of our food,
yeah,
that puts a terrible strain on our bodies. So
percent.
I don't think that we are in a space where we can kind of not have those things in our life. I think HRT, as long as you work with a credible practitioner,
Correct.
I think it can be really, really life changing, for women for
You
sure.
must have been really excited when Dr. Oz and Mr. Kennedy announced that. That was
Yeah,
really exciting. I know I
very much
was.
so. Very much
And
so.
it's like this big
It's
breakthrough for
incredible
women.
now to see that estrogen is now being prescribed again,
What a
and that
concept.
yeah, and that women are not afraid as much to use it. I mean, we've got a
Yeah.
long way to go, Lisa. I mean, because
Oh,
there
yeah.
are a lot of women out there that will not take estrogen at all. But
Right.
I think probably in the next 2 to 4 years, I think women will definitely, come back around to understand really the significant benefits, around estrogen and progesterone and stuff like that. So yeah.
Well, thank you so much for everything you're doing. I mean, that's
Aw,
fantastic.